So I'm walking down the road here in central Iowa, and it's like -9, and I'm rethinking my life choices. But one choice I definitely am not rethinking is this Sharp Eye Design Mini Evo. This thing is amazing. Even if I die out here, at least I'll I'll have the Evo to keep me company. Maybe I could cut open something and crawl inside of its stomach to warm up.
Dan. Hang on, kid.
I don't know, but the Evo is amazing. Let's listen to that detail. I'll stop walking. It was kind of loud. All right, listen. All right, let's get this Evo back inside before it freezes to fucking death. Have a nice day.